Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. If you like to have amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description.